From the 8th of June, we're going to be starting a brand new Alpha course where anybody can come and explore the basics of Christianity and explore the big questions of life and faith. So if you fit in that you're interested in this stuff and that you've been thinking a bit deeply about God and what that could mean for your life to have a relationship with Him, or maybe you know someone who is in that place, then get them signed up or sign yourself up through our website for this 7-week course starting on June the 8th. So have a look on our website for more information. Yes, you've seen it here. Our t-shirts are in, as you know, but I've got news that today is the last day for you to order your t-shirts for Strength Will Rise. So if you're coming to our church weekend away, which is going to be a lot of fun, then today is your last day to order your shirt. So head to the foyer, make sure you get an order form, pay your money and get your shirt when it's ready. Okay, we've got more news though. We also have now got sign-ups ready for the tournaments that are going to be happening, all our sports stuff that's going to be happening at Strength Will Rise. You can head to our website, excelchurch.org.uk/SWR, to sign up to the tournaments that's going on. I'll be doing the football because last year I was great, if you'll remember. Yes, thank you. So we've got that happening. And if you're not booked in, listen, come speak to one of the team because there might be some spaces. It may not be too late. I don't know personally, but try your luck. Okay, guys, so that's everything for Strength Will Rise. We can't wait to see you there. Inside my soul, in your light you make me holy. Refine me in the fire with everlasting love like gold. Lord, are you looking for a job? Because we've got one going here at Excel Church for an administrator. So we're looking for a church administrator to help with the upkeep of this place and to support our leaders in all administrative things. So if you think you could fit that role, then we'd love for you to apply, which you can find the application pack on our website, or you can speak to Heather for some more information or email her. But we'd love for you to apply if you think you could fill this role for 14 hours a week here at Excel Church. So have a look on our website or chat to Heather for more information. Everything inside my soul, in your light you make me holy. So this week is prayer and Bible study on Wednesday at 7:30, so make sure you join us here at church for that. We'd love to see you there to dig into the Word of God together. And that's all for Excel News, so have a great week, guys.